we are doing old-fashioned blueberry, no pectin jam. Just get your 3 bags of all these frozen blueberries. 24 ounce, get 3 of them. Throw that in the pot and make some old-fashioned blueberry jam, y'all. My first water bath recipe. So excited. We start with 15 cups of frozen blueberries. Just throw that in the pot. Put it on medium heat and let that begin to break down. Then we're going to mash it to our desired consistency. All right, once you mash the blueberries, you're going to I added 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 frozen lemon peels I keep in my freezer, and 3 cups of sugar to these 15 cups of blueberries. Okay, once that sugar dissolves, I turn the stove up to medium high. So we're just going to let this continue to cook until it reduces. In the meantime, you're going to put some jars in the oven like this. I like to put mine at 185 degrees to be nice and warm, ready for my hot jam. Once you see that rib, you're going to cut this off. Okay, we're going to put it into hot jars. And we're going to water bath it. I'm going to water bath it for 10 minutes. And I'm using jars that are a little bigger than 8 ounce. It's 250 milliliters. And my altitude is less than 1,000, so it's 10 minutes for me. Just pulled the blueberry jam out of the water bath canner. And they already started to, there we go. Did y'all see that? OMG. Don't you just love that sound? Okay, I did have to do a few dummy jars. Just so my canner was full. All blueberry jam have sealed.